Good morning and welcome to another edition of Hippie Christmas with MrTieDye. So this here is the diamond DNA shape that I did for the Wednesday video a couple days ago. So let's get this thing opened up. Alrighty. Yeah, we got some nice color going on in there, and these spirals are looking pretty cool. So let's get set up and open this up. Alrighty, here we go. Oh yeah, I like that. Alright, we'll get this rinsed and posted pictures later. I'm going to do a bonus. I don't know, you guys probably seen the peace sign down in here, so I'm going to open that one up too, so hold on. Okay, here's one of the peace signs I tied up the other day. Alright, looks like we got some nice spirals going on here. Nice peace sign. Alright, let's open this thing up. Alrighty. Yeah, nice spirals out there on the edges. Alrighty, we'll get this washed up and posted.